Name of birds in English with spelling and pronunciation. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. It's woodpecker. Peacock. P-E-A-C-K-O-C-K. It's peacock. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. It's penguin. Eagle. E-A-G-L-3. It's eagle. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. It's vulture. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. It's sparrow. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. It's kingfisher. Nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. It's nightingale. Stork. S-T-O-R-K. It's stork. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. It's crane. Rhea. R-H-E-A. It's rhea. Swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. It's swallow. Seagull. S-E-A-G-U-L-L. It's seagull. K-I-T-E. It's kiwi. K-I-W-I. It's kiwi. Toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. It's toucan. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. It's crow. C-R-O-W. It's crow. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. It's parrot. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. It's pigeon. Owl. O-W-L. It's owl. Pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. It's pelican. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. It's ostrich. Duck. D-U-C-K. It's duck. Hen. H-E-N. It's hen. Robin. R-O-B-I-N. It's robin. Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. It's hummingbird. Magpie. M-A-G-P-I-E. It's magpie. Bulbul. B-U-L-B-U-L. It's bulbul. Goose. G-O-O-S-E. It's goose. Hawk. H-A-W-K. It's hawk. Pheasant. P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T. It's pheasant. Hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L. It's hornbill. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. It's flamingo. Emu. E-M-U. It's emu. Swan. S-W-A-N. It's swan. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. It's chicken. Dove. D-O-V-E. It's dove. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. It's cuckoo. Finch. F-I-N-C-H. It's Finch. Lark. L-A-R-K. It's Lark. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more video.